today is 4th of July and I thought I should make a vlog. I see it's very familiar and popular for people to have vlogs, everyday vlogs in July, the same they have in December, and it's called Vlogmas in July. So I start my first one today. This morning I'm up to a late start. I've been knitting until now. I had a coffee. I even took an Instagram picture and I posted. And I thought, what if I will make this vlog and show you how I spent little bits of my day today. And after I'm finishing this coffee, I want to go in the kitchen and make a sort of French pancakes. You all know how those are. I thought that today I might show you how to make French pancakes, or so-called crepes. I am not following any recipe but my own, so I'm sure there are out there better recipes. I am only following my own recipes, and I've been doing this for a long time and I know they come out right. So in my blender I start with 3 cups of milk, 2 full eggs, a little bit of salt. I'm gonna add a little bit vanilla. So far I have 2.5 cups of flour, and we're mixing well. I think this is good. It's fluid but not too thin, and it will spread nicely in the pan. I'm working with 2 pans, so I have more efficiency. I heat a little bit of oil in each of them. The pan should be smoking hot, because otherwise the batter will stick to the bottom of the pan and will make a mess. When you pour the batter into the pan, you should hear a sizzling noise. So as the oil gets warm, I like to put it in this little dish so I can use it. Same here. These are not special pans. I do use them more often for these pancakes or crepes, but they are not special design for this. But what I like about them is that they are light. You can check with a little bit of batter to see if they're hot, and as I hear the noise, I think the pan is ready. I just pour a little bit and try to spread it evenly around the pan. This one is going to be a thick one because I put too much. You need to adjust the heat. So this was too hot. I'm going to slide and try to demonstrate the flipping of the pancake. You don't need to do that. If this slides well enough on the bottom of the pan, you can just flip it with the spatula. I think this one is ready and I'll show you how to do that. It's not, some people like them white, I like them more cooked, but this is almost too much. My pan was too hot. I'm gonna add more oil as I'm going, and add more. I love this spatula because it's a little bit sharp here, and it gets itself well under the So now let's see. I have here cherry preserves. You can put any preserves. And so because it's too runny, we pack them like this, and they're not runny anymore. And I can use the preserves I made last night with quince shredded and cooked in brown sugar syrup. It's not too syrupy, but it's cooked and it's a little bit crunchy. It didn't take me too long to come up with this. What a good way to start the morning. I'll bring my coffee, which I still have a little bit of. Home sweet home on holidays. I like a good coffee. Well, just a little bit left. The cat wants to be part of my video. Zoe, this is not for you. Oh, go have fun somewhere. Oh, this is good. These are the ones stuffed with cherry preserves. Some people add oil, some people add sugar. It's not necessary. They get enough oil from the pan and sugar from the preserves. Something sweet that goes very well with the coffee. That's not for you, Zoe. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this little demonstration. I'll try to make one per day. I'm sorry I missed yesterday when I pickled cabbage and I made some eggplant preserve because I like to have it on toast. What else have I made yesterday? We had salads and soup. See you another time, maybe tomorrow. Happy 4th of July. Bye. Later on today. Ooh. 4th of July celebration. Feast of the Mouth. Vlogmas. That's gonna be more like a vlog mess. Oh no, can you see that sky? What is that?